The biggest lie that young people are told when they're 18, 19, and 20 is go to university and you are guaranteed to get a high-paying job. This lie is drilled into you from the school system, no diddy, and reinforced by parents who are stuck in the past. Well, that may have been true years ago. It is not the reality anymore. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that studying is a waste of time. Many degrees are very useful. However, relying solely on a degree to make you rich isn't the right approach. That's why it is so important for students to start some kind of side hustle that has the ability to grow into something much bigger in the future. Look, I was not wealthy enough to afford university or anything even close to that at all. But I always had some kind of side hustle that ultimately now has led to millions of dollars in sales. That's why today I'm going to dive into 7 side hustles that students can start this year. To be honest, these can actually apply to anyone, anywhere in the world, regardless of your past experience. I'm actually going to share with you real-life examples of people smashing it and rate them out of 5 in these 5 important categories: how much time it takes to learn, how much money you need, and how difficult it is to make $1,000 per month. Side hustle idea number 1. Faceless short-form content has been taken over by people just like Alex Christian. Number 1, how difficult is this to do? It's really easy. You can really record a video on a screen share app on your phone, record content from other channels, other places, other platforms, upload to your own channel, and make a lot of money. Who is making tens of thousands of dollars per month, showing people exactly how to go ahead and start their own Faceless YouTube channel, which, as you've probably heard, there are a lot of people teaching you how to do this really easily and really simply, and they are making a lot of money. This second side hustle you can do as a student is growing like crazy. As you can see, by 2025, the year this is being recorded and beyond, it's worth well over $7 billion. Now, here's the catch. The question is, why can you make so much money doing this? You can do coaching in anything you are good at or anything you plan to get good at. Sports, working out, singing, some kind of hobby you do, it doesn't matter. You can coach people on learning the skill you have or will have soon. Number 1, how easy is it? Not that easy. It takes a long time to develop a skill if you don't have one already. But if you do have a skill that you can teach someone else as a coach, then what you're going to love is number 2, how much money does this make? Coaches in any industry or any niche, even as a student, you can teach either other students or other people all across the world. There is no limit on the market for hundreds or thousands or even sometimes tens of thousands of dollars per client per month in the coaching industry, which makes it very valuable. It may take, a couple weeks to a few months to really get a coaching business producing consistent money for you as a student this year. However, if you want to make a lot of money in a bulk, no cap, and you want your bank bussin', no diddy, then consider being a coach for a skill or thing you are doing in your life that you're pretty good at or could become good at very easily. But listen real closely here. There is a third really strong, really easy, simple to do, zero cost way you can make money as a student. A really simple side hustle that is one of my favorites that my little brother Miles is doing right now. You guessed it. It is the good old Facebook Marketplace where you can get many things for free or you can flip anything you find here very, very quickly, because guess what? Going ahead and searching right now in the search bar and looking up free, you can go ahead and find stuff all across my state that people are just literally giving away. Look at this fish tank for $1. Look at these pallets that you could use to build anything for free. Look at this computer desk that you could redo and sell for $100. All these different things right now you can make money with in your local area, in your local city, or within 10, 20, 30 miles. And guess what? It costs you nothing but the gas to get there. And you can resell it not just on Facebook, but on Amazon, on eBay, and other marketplaces all across the world. And listing it costs you nothing. So how easy is this to set up? Well, it's instant. You can instantly go to Facebook Marketplace and find something to get for free right now. How much money can you make? That depends on your time availability as a student or as someone looking to make money in the real world right now to go out and get these things. Number 3, but the volume. How much can you make in volume? That depends on your ability to repair, redo, or resell on either Facebook Marketplace or other marketplaces. And it depends on the items you're choosing. So if you're choosing stuff like a desk, stuff like a fish tank for what could be worth $50 to a few $100, times that by how many things you can sell in a week, it might make you a few $1,000s legitimately in a week. If you do bigger things like pool tables, pianos, and much, much more, it could be a few $1,000s per week. It all depends on how much time you have to go and get items. Run your own profitable side hustle while being a student or really being anyone. This is by far among my favorite that you're going to love because it costs you nothing. You can make up to $5,000, $8,000, or $10,000 or more per sale. And you can pretty much do it at any age. Doesn't matter. It's kind of crazy. So don't tell anyone. Keep this a secret. So with this method, all you have to do is review either programs, services, or products online. That's it. Just review and say, hey, this is what I liked about it. This is what I didn't like about it. You can buy in the description of this video. That's it. That's all you literally have to do. You can do a screen recording like this. You can record on your phone. You can record any way you want. And these are some of my top performing videos. In fact, this video right here has made me tens of thousands of dollars. This video right here has made me a few $1,000s. This one right here actually got me sales to another way of being an affiliate that made me even more money. So you're going to find that being able to do reviews on physical products, on digital services, you name it, and just recording yourself just like I am right now takes a little bit of time. But if you can rank in the YouTube search engine, you can generate thousands and tens of thousands and eventually over time hundreds of thousands of views because people are always looking for brand new reviews on products all the time. And there's a really cool website that teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer and make, ridiculous amounts of money with all of these methods combined into kind of one ultimate method, so to speak. Now, you may check this out if you want. I just heard my friends talking about it quite a bit. It's called Profitalize.com. Basically, what they do is they teach you how to start your own business using this Profitalize method that people, influencers, and students that are on TikTok, that are on YouTube, that are kind of like all these people and even myself that you've seen. If you want to duplicate this for yourself, just go to the site. My friends are telling me they're using it and they're making quite a bit of money. I'm just about to get started myself using this method. So highly recommend you check it out and let me know what you think. And other than that, you just learned about the 4 best side hustles for students that are making a ton of money that don't take very much time and that anyone can do regardless of your location, where you live, who you are, does not matter. And these are all performing exceptionally well, especially right now in this year. You can tell that they're all blowing up. Now, which one should you do? It is completely up to you. Just make sure, please, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments which one you think you might start, or if you have any questions about any of them, go ahead and ask or comment, because I respond to every single comment on every single one of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Maybe go watch another one right now.